Hola clase, as you know from your notes, to form mandatos or commands, you pretty much just need to put the verb into subjunctive form, for the most part. Here are some exceptions, and then of course you have to think about pronoun placement. Knowing that, let's look at your worksheet. The affirmative vosotros for all of these will be formed by affirmative vosotros. You take off the R from the infinitive and add a D. Hablar, comer, escribir. Okay, so that's pretty simple. I'm going to do number 1 with you. Almorzar. Done. Affirmative 2 is formed by doing the he, she form of the verb. And actually, I'm going to fill in this column differently. Oh, I didn't do the whole column. Let's try that again. Because, and the affirmative vosotros. Because they're the two exceptions to the rule. For all the others, you need the subjunctive. If you want affirmative 2, as it says, that's an exception to the rule. You need the indicative he, she, usted. Or take the to form, drop the s. Be careful of the 8 irregulars. As, ten, ven, pon, sal, se, ve, di. I was looking to see if I had them written somewhere. I don't. If you're curious to know, your affirmative 2 irregulars are as, ten, ven, pon, sal, se, ve, di. Or you might say the vindi, sal, as, ten, ve, pon, se. But what verbs do they belong to? That's the real question. Do you know that this is the affirmative 2 for hacer, tener, venir, poner, salir? Of course you knew those, but do you know these? Say is the affirmative 2 command of ser. Yes, it is also the present tense indicative yo form of saber, but the command has nothing to do with that. Ve is the irregular affirmative 2 command of ir. You want to tell someone to go? It is ve. If you want to tell someone to leave, vete. Alright? It has nothing, well, it does have something to do with ver. It also is the regular command of ver, but anyway, context will tell you. And D is the affirmative 2 command of decir. Yes, it is also the preterite yo form of dar. 2 different things. Isn't that fun? Spanish is fun. So these are your 8 irregulars for affirmative 2 commands. Anyway, back to your worksheet. Otherwise, you just take the he, she form of the verb. Almorzar is a stem changer, so almuerza. Now we need the subjunctive. Ooh, it's a cargar-zar verb, so say, can't ze. Oh dear, it's a negative 2 command, so I'm going to have to say no. And it's the 2 command, almuerces. That would be the subjunctive. Alright. Affirmative usted will be almuerce. Nosotros. Ugh, I have to think about the subjunctive stem changers. AR verbs only stem change inside the boot. So almorcemos. Cargar-zar verbs affect all 6. And the negative vosotros will be no. Not going to stem change. Or seis. If you don't know how to do accents, which I don't expect that you do, you can do the letter and then an apostrophe if you're typing in. That would be fine. And that should get you started. Ugh, should I also do number 2 with you? Why not? So, the affirmative vosotros command of dar would be dad, but I also need the pronoun os. Let's double check those notes that you took about what happens if you're attaching pronouns to the vosotros. Alright, all normal pronoun placement rules apply, except if you're attaching 2 pronouns to one syllable command. Nope, not doing that. When attaching reflexive pronouns, I am doing that. To affirmative nosotros and vosotros commands, drop the final consonant first. Aha, so I'm doing something like this. Levantar becomes levantaos. So I'm going to drop the D and add the OS. Let's see if there's anything else we need to know. No accent when attaching one pronoun to an AR-ER vosotros, but place an accent on the I for I or verbs if you're attaching Os. Okay, well, then that means that I'm good for douse preset, which means to hurry up. Okay, affirmative 2, just the he, she form of the verb. Da, where do you put pronouns in relationship to affirmative commands attached at the end? Where is the accent going to go? Penultimate syllable. Last, second to last is nothing, so no accent. Date prisa, hurry up. No, pronoun first. Te, des. This would be day with an accent, but you don't have to fill this one in because I X'd it out. This would be demos, but I have to attach nos, so let's just check those notes again. When attaching reflexive pronouns, or anytime you need the pronoun say, to not be a lelo, to affirmative nosotros and vosotros commands, drop the final consonant. So I'm attaching a reflexive pronoun to an affirmative nosotros, so I need to drop the S. Demonos. Aha, I've attached a pronoun, so I need an accent. Not counting the pronoun. Demo, last, second to last. There we go. Negative nosotros. Let's not hurry up. No, nos, demos. Affirmative ustedes. Den prisa. Negative vosotros. No, os, because it's reflexive. Space, D-E-I-S. No accent on the four-lettered vosotros. Alright, I have started you guys off. Please be careful of the things you need to be careful of with the subjunctive, cargar-zar verbs, dishes, verbs with irregular yos, stem changers. You can do it. And, of course, think of pronoun placement and consult those notes with the extra info for reference. Alright, I'm sure you will do a wonderful job.